Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are sitting in the new Toyota CHR Plus, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to put this car into drive. So as you can see, we have the lovely modern gear selector here, and let's just press this. There we go. Here is the main touchscreen. Now, in order to go into drive or reverse, you see it says push and then go towards right or left. But when you push this, nothing happens. So you actually need to push this. And now we go into drive. There we go. Or push it again. You go into neutral or push it. And then to the left is where you go into reverse. So now again, if we go to if we push it, we go into neutral. There's also, of course, the park, which is engaged by pressing the button in here. Once you get used to this, it's very easy, and definitely you will be able to maneuver and do the turnings and stuff like that very easily. And yeah, I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe. There is a full review on my channel and many other videos with this car. So check it out and see you on the next one. Bye bye.